Welcome back, Rico Money Bags, a channel helping you invest in yourself so we can invest in the future. Today, we're going to be talking about this epic partnership with FEG Token and the Sharks, with the Raid Bot. So make sure you guys tap in. We're also going to check the prices on FEG Token at the end of the video. So watch to the very, very end. Take advantage of the Money Bags Mansion link down below where I'm shilling FEG Token, where I'm shilling the Sharks token. So you guys definitely want to tap in right there. But we're going to find out what this exactly means for SmartDefi tokens, because FEG Token is always looking out for this ecosystem. So this is not just something for FEG Token, this is something for the ecosystem. So let's find out exactly what's going on. Let's get down to the meat and potatoes, down to the nitty gritty of what's going on. So let's go ahead and check this out. So we got white label premium partnership announcement. We are thrilled to announce that the FEG has been whitelisted and will be the first ever premium partnership on RaidSharksBot.com. We're going to check out their website. Looks pretty epic to have that stamp right there, right? The innovative Raid Bot chosen by the team is feature rich, fully customized, and comes with a leaderboard incentivized to reward our active community, propelling FEG to new heights on X. We're thrilled to announce that every SmartDefi token and its trademark, just letting you guys know that every SmartDefi token will have access to this exclusive deal, providing exposure for the bot and contributing to the FEG ecosystem, presenting a fantastic opportunity for both parties. Now let's get down to, the meat and potatoes. What does this exactly mean for SmartDefi projects? Well, not only are we going to be coming out with massive amount of utility as tokens that are launching on there, you guys want to tap on that Money Bags Mansion the link down below if you guys want to change your life. That is a life-changing link down there. That's where I'm going to be talking about all the SmartDefi projects. So if you're bullish on SmartDefi, your name should be inside that Telegram. But this is what it means for SmartDefi tokens. This is SmartDefi discounts. All SmartDefi projects will receive a 20% discount on their white label purchase of RaidShark Bot, priced at 0.2 ETH instead of 0.25 ETH. Contributions to FEG. FEG will receive an additional 10% of 0.025 ETH per SmartDefi token. Strategic partnerships placement. Prominent placement of FEG as a strategic partner on the RaidShark Bot website, which we're going to check out in just a bit. And we're going to talk about these two things right here. Let's just finish this up really quick. So we got FEG tokens, FEG support. FEG commits to supporting RaidShark Bot through social promotions and strategic partner placements on the FEGtoken.io website. Please note all prices are subject to change based on market conditions, and the agreement will be adjusted accordingly. So these prices might go up, they might go down, we don't know, right? But nonetheless, this is the percentage. What I like about this is that FEG is really looking like, and crypto in general is doing it, it's putting on its suit and tie. As you can see by the thumbnail, FEG has a suit on, the Shark has a suit on. Crypto in general is kind of putting on this suit and tie. I think the future narrative is going to be real use case, real utility and stuff like that. Obviously, memes are always going to be here to stay, but we got projects bringing out real use case, real utilities, and Shark token is one of them. The Shark ecosystem, and FEG token for sure is one of them as well. And we're creating revenue for this ecosystem. So no matter what, we're creating ways to make sure that the team is being funded to continue to pay for things and keep this ecosystem fresh and relevant. Okay, so next, let's go to the RaidShark Bot. We got FEG premium partner right there. This is huge. Maybe if a SmartDefi token does so good, maybe, who knows, we'll see more advertisement about SmartDefi tokens as well on their website. The results have been utterly staggering. RaidSharks, your team are a pleasure to work with, and we have been well supported. So this is exactly what you want in this crypto space. You don't want this aggressive takeover type of style. You want partnerships. You want to rub elbows with the right people. It's not what you know, it's who you know. And when people figure that out, you really get to cover a lot of ground in this space. All right. So let's go over to RaidShark. And if you guys can, also give them a follow at RaidSharks. Make sure you guys tapped in. Make sure the bell notification is lit. You guys do not want to miss out. You guys will be hearing about them a lot on my channel. Since I made the video, the chart has been pumping like crazy. We're not going to do price prediction technical analysis on RaidShark's chart. This is a FEG token video and the partnership video, but we will be looking on the RaidShark chart in the future. So make sure if you're part of that community, we're not going to leave you out. Make sure you guys stay liked and subscribed on the channel, and we'll make sure that we'll cover everything that you guys are doing as well. But this is what they're talking about right here. They're talking premium partnership with FEG. We're excited to unveil our groundbreaking premium partnership with FEG token, making a significant milestone for RaidShark Bot. This collaboration is a testnet to our commitment to innovation and excellence, providing unparalleled opportunities for growth and engagement within the FEG ecosystem. This is what the FEG ecosystem is going to do for every single Smart DeFi project. We're coming out the gate swinging. I mean, and I'm throwing punches right now. We're coming out the gate swinging when it comes staking, lending protocol. People are going to have to pay developers for this. It's going to be such a hard climb for projects trying to come out with what we have on the table automatically, that a lot of the funding we get to use for marketing, to make sure that we're getting the right exposure for our project. But as far as using a lot of the funding for building the utilities, FEG almost has us all covered. So I think it's only right that we have, some of these percentages going back into our ecosystem, because we always want to take care of the goose that lays the golden egg. And FEG token is that goose that's laying the golden egg for all of us. So premium partnership terms and conditions. We got some special offers for white label solutions of RaidShark Bot on FEG's Smart DeFi Launchpad. That's all the FEG token Smart DeFi projects that are going to be launching. We're talking about the staking. We're talking about lending protocols. Can't nobody do it like this. They just can't do it like this. This is different right here. Tap the Moneybags Mansion link down below, because these utilities will be used to the full potential that they have inside that Moneybags Mansion. You guys do not want to miss out on this. Read in between the lines. I'm looking through the camera as hard as I can to make sure that you guys are tapping that link right now. If you're not subscribed by now, make sure you're subscribed as well. We got support on important expos. FEG will support RaidShark bots by reposting or sharing important announcements or posts, amplifying reach and engagement. So that's why that shark chart is looking good as well, right? So join spaces on FegX. So RaidShark bots will participate in join spaces on FEG's platforms, facilitating collaborative discussions and interactions. So yeah, they're going to be in a partnership. That's going to get them a lot of exposure. Their chart's going to keep going up. I'm going to let everybody know right now. I'm not going to sugarcoat it or anything like that. Not financial advice. We'll get the cliche out the way, but they're about to be getting some massive, massive exposure. So hopefully you guys got your little shark bag set up, because I got mine, all right? So let's continue right here. We got joint spaces, prominent places of RaidShark Bot as a premium partner on the FEG website. FEG will feature RaidShark Bot prominently as a strategic partner, highlighting the synergy between the two entities. That is huge right there. And you know what? For RaidShark to get this kind of privilege and this kind of exposure from FEG token, they must have all the boxes checked off. FEG token is already, did what they had to do to make sure that this RaidShark bot is the one for us. And not just for us as FEG token, but for us, for those who are launching on Smart DeFi. All right, everybody, let's continue. We got promotions of RaidShark Bot on social channels. FEG will promote RaidShark Bots through its various social media channels to enhance visibility and engagement. You guys seen a RaidShark Bot video. You guys know that I'm part of the marketing team as well. I'm helping get exposure with FEG token out there. And that's why I did the video for RaidShark Bots, because they are now partnerships with us, and we want our ecosystem to thrive in this DeFi space. FEG token is building true DeFi, but we also want to make sure that we give exposure to the tools that are coming out in Smart DeFi, like this RaidShark Bot. Not only did the gold miners make money, but the people selling the pickaxes and the shovels did too. So let's make sure that we got some bags set up for those who are selling pickaxes and shovel, basically RaidShark Bot, and making sure that we're not missing anything when it comes to this next bull run. We are in the bull market. We're just not in the bull run just yet. So the promotions of we got that covered. This partnership not only signifies a leap. What? You got to be careful when FEG token and they're using little sneaky words like that. Signifies a leap forward for RaidSharks and FEG, but also opens the door for Smart DeFi trademark token projects to leverage our advanced technology at exclusive rates, and it presents our technology to thousands of new projects launching, driving exposure and contributing significantly for RaidShark Bot and the FEG ecosystem. I need the whole FEG army to get this video over 100 likes. Number one, I need you guys to understand, look at how everything has been getting ramped up. The amount of marketing, the amount of partnerships, the amount of, big influencers. I'm a small YouTuber, but the big YouTubers, the big influencers on X talking about FEG token, something is happening. It's happening. We got testnet of Smart DeFi launchpad. It's about to happen, and tokens are going to come out swinging. I promise you guys that. Hopefully you guys can read me right there when I'm telling you. I promise you guys that they're going to be coming out swinging. So make sure you guys connect the dots, read in between the lines. We're talking about staking out the gate. We're talking about lending protocol out the gate. You're not going to have to sell your crypto to make sure you got some funds for your flat tire, or maybe for a new investment, whatever it might be. It's not financial advice, but you're not going to have to miss out on any market, because the lending protocol, the FEG token, is going to allow smart DeFi projects to have out the gate. And not only are you going to have all these utilities, you're going to have something to help you get that community hyped up with that RaidShark bot right away active in your TG for a discount price. So make sure you guys tap in with that. Checking out the prices on FEG token. On the ETH side of things, we are holding up pretty well, holding above that deleting a zero, cruising at a $50 million market cap for $1 billion project. On the BNB side of things, we have lost that delete a zero a little bit. We're cruising a little bit underneath it, but we know that the BNB side fluctuates a lot more. We have said that we're going to potentially do something like this. We can fall down here, but no matter what, if you're staked up, if you watch the video on how to stake your FEG token, all this motion doesn't mean anything to you, because you're receiving more FEG token on top of that to make sure you're staying in the game and you're not going to miss out on anything. Make sure you guys are going to sleep with your moon boots on, by the way, because there's no telling when this thing's going to pop off. So we're consolidating right now. We got these lower prices on 7.3, but this is just arbitrage opportunities. All right. So you guys can read in between the lines. You can buy on one and sell on the other one, because the prices are a little bit different. So there's some profits to be made there. You guys can see if we read in between those lines, this one's at 1015. And on the BNB side, we're cruising at 9428. Or you just get staked up and don't worry about none of this and just ride the wave to the $1 billion project that FEG token really is. I want you guys to get this video to 100 likes. Go show support to the RaidShark guys. Let them know that I'm rocking with them. They know what's up. But tap in with the Money Bags Mansion link down below and continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is.